In other headlines, train operator SMRT has revised its protocol to be more responsive in the event of a crisis. Staff now no longer have to wait for senior management to activate what's known as the Rail Incident Management Plan. This emerged at the public inquiry into last year's big breakdowns on the North-South line. The focus today was on the response to those incidents.
Over 120,000 commuters were affected in the major disruption on 15 December, and day 5 of the public inquiry heard testimonies from affected station managers, saying crowd control was a challenge given the limited manpower. Mr. Tan Chit Siang of Marina Bay Station also highlighted the station's outdated plan. He said a particular exit, which had been closed for years, was not accounted for in the plan, and this could have impacted the flow of directing passengers to bus bridging services. Lack of information from the Operations Control Centre or OCC was also raised. Mr. Lam Kok Soon, seen here in the background, was the manager on duty at the OCC on 15 December. He told the court how his hands were full during the disruption. As the OCC focused on rectifying faults and getting passengers out of trains, no one was monitoring the number of people at affected stations. This meant more passengers could have been asked to alight at stations that were already crowded.
COI Chairman Judge Tan Seong Tai said given that the manager of the Ops Centre can be overwhelmed by such situations, there should be another dedicated personnel to monitor the crowd situation at affected stations to ensure passenger safety.
The additional help needed to better manage crowds is now supposed to arrive faster in the event of a disruption. That's because instead of waiting for senior management, OCC managers have now been given the authority to activate the Rail Incident Management Plan.